Hey guys, how's it going? Jason here again. So I was working away at the AMG, working on this back panel, and I kind of feel like a break from that. So I got a wee idea what I'm going to do. I'll play with the Mx5. Exactly what I shouldn't be doing. So I have this exhaust. I took off the AMG because we're going to put something else in the AMG, and I think I'll just put this back box on this stock exhaust system because I don't really care that much. Get a tiny bit racier, and yeah, let's get this done. Okay, so I have this up in the air now. Got a bit of carpet down to lay on, and you can see this is how the exhaust runs. So to get that in, I think I might have to cut away this. And the first thing I'm going to do is probably cut it about here, and then we've got a 90 degree to play with, and pretty much just going to try and point it this way. Oh, this way. Should be grand. Ba ba ba. So you can see here now I have something marked up. I'm not overly proud of how rash this is, but it's only temporary. So I cut off this toe now to get the angle right, and I'm just going to blast this in now. Put some high temp paint on it to hide the sheen. Using the rusty bits of paint that were there before. One stainless 90, and we're sweet. This is what it looks like then. Comes round, goes into that pipe there, pretty disgusting looking. I really need to, need to put a clutch in this soon. It's going to be arriving next week, so I'm going to do that. So I'll take the exhaust off and get this joint here a real good penetration all the way around. It's really hard to get there. It's actually got, you can see there's pinholes in it, so I'll grind that back and weld it back later on, but it's only got a wee pinhole in it. It's just right at the top, so I'm not going to fight that right now. And really, so yeah, I'm going to call it quits for the night, and maybe take it for a spin tomorrow and let you hear what it sounds like. Okay, well it's the next day now, and I know I should be working on this, but I've been tripping over this TRL Rollbar for a few days now, and it's jamming hits in, so I put all this interior stuff out of the Mx5, put the hardtop off, drop the hardtop on the quarter, so I'll do some sort of messing about there. I'll get that clean back later. Check the big lump of paint off. That's fine, we don't really care about that. And we have this all out now, and someone's taken the fuel pump cap thing off, and that's missing. That's nice. Nice and a wee bit rusty over there, but it's not the AMG, so we're going to pretend that doesn't exist. And pretty much, hopefully you can get this in here without cutting too much this away. Get this bolted down. Not even going to bother with the ones here. Or am I? I don't know if I could be asked. I just want this out of the way. I maybe did an audit. Though I did say that on the Mark II, and it was still only ever held in by 2 bolts. Yeah. Let's try getting in. Be a wee bit of a struggle to get this in here. Put ratchet straps around it to pull it in, pull the legs in so I get it past this lip. But we're in here now, and yeah, happy days. Do a wee bit of trimming on both sides just to get it in, but pretty much this is it. Come on. And this one. Whew. There you go, she's nice and tight. Just gonna put the bolts in for the seat belts, and then we'll do these in all day because I'm not really in the mood now. So here we are. Put that racy strut brace on just to get it out of the way, and then you have our rollbar. I put this in too because it was already there. It's all that kind of cool, but see how we get on. Put the steering wheel in the all day. Need to get a wooden gear knob for that. But yeah, pipe. Let's get it started up. Yeah, let's get it for a spin. So there you go. Now that we upload on the Rally Mx5, I actually made it worse by doing this, but yeah. I think that's quite cool actually. Hardtop's back on. Good shit. Back to working on the MG now. So, thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe, give us a comment, give us a wee chat, see what you think about the MX5, and see you again in the next one.